Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to explain you how I resolved the problem with my Grom BT3 Bluetooth module installation to my BMW business radio. Basically, I connected the Grom unit to the back of my radio into the CD changer port. However, I was receiving no discs message on the display. And then I realized that the CD changer is still connected inside of my boot. So basically I removed all the carpeting, I got into the CD changer in the boot of my car, and basically I removed the plugs, and you can see those two plugs at the screen right now. And basically CD changer was overriding Grom. So basically after disconnecting it, Grom unit started to work without any problems, and that resolved my issue. So if you have a CD changer installed in your car and you're trying to get that Grom BT3 Bluetooth module, just make sure you disconnect the CD changer before your installation. And that's it. Thank you for watching, thank you for listening, and good luck with your BMW Z4 repairs, and take care. See you later, guys.